All right. Let's see. So I think first, oh, right, I took the caps are over there. First, I'm gonna take this guy off. Put that there. I forgot a container for my nuts and crap. I meant to grab that when I went back inside to use the facilities. Alright, let's see. Going to, and yes, I pre-loosened these so that I could do this. Take that one off. I suppose I gotta go around to the other side. This one was tricky to get at in there. Pull that one off. Oh, wait, wrong one. I'm going for this here right now is what I want off. That one. I got that one. That one. Suppose right there. Oh, I'm still connected here. There we go. I already unhooked all the wires everywhere. Disconnected them. So this should just come right away. Just like that. Okay, now take these. Into the gas. Wonderful. Okay. Hopefully. Oh, right. My hose is going to be. Pull it through. I got to be able to drain this better. Just stand there in case she leaks. Did I loosen that one? Yeah, I did. All right, I'm going to take these out first. Two. Oh, a washer. Three. Take this top one off. Like that. Put it back on. So I don't lose my specialty washers there. And then, bam. Got the rear end off. I'll get that out in a minute. All right, and then why not take that in the washer. See if I can do this with one hand. Put that right there. All right, let me get this here. Ignore my movements there. Oh. my bolt. Sorry, you can't see. It's a little tricky one-handed here. Put that back through. And I forgot to loosen my brake. So I'm hung up here. I'm going to need both hands for that. And then our motor mount bolt off. And I'll be back with you in a minute.